Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we have the expression 1 over 2x plus 1 plus 5. We're asked which of the following is equivalent to the expression above. And what we want to do here is we want to turn this expression into a single fraction. The way you want to do that is by getting a common denominator. So here we have a denominator of 2x plus 1, and we want to get 5 to have that same denominator. So what we have to do is we have to divide it by 2x plus 1, and then also multiply it by 2x plus 1. Right? So if you have 5, and you're multiplying by 4 and dividing by 4, well, this is just multiplying by 1, so your answer is just 5. But you can change the denominator by not simplifying, and you get 5 times 4 is 20 divided by 4. You get 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Doing the same thing here, where we're not canceling these out. We're saying, okay, we have 1 over 2x plus 1 plus 5 times 2x is 10x plus 5 times 1 is 5, just distributing up top, over 2x plus 1. And now we have 1 over 2x plus 1 plus 10x plus 5 over 2x plus 1. So these have the same denominator, and we can just add the numerators. So we have 1 plus 10x plus 5 over 2x plus 1. This is equal to 10x plus 1 plus 5 is plus 6 over 2x plus 1. This is going to be your final answer. It's this expression in terms of one fraction, and it lines up with D, 10x plus 6 over 2x plus 1. D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.